Secret in Brookhaven game. So, go in books in library. Yeah, go to the library. So go in there. Okay, let's go. So get this book. This is a book, not original book, because you cannot read it. And summon na yung house. Come on, go, faster, ang beach. Come on. And go to the 5. And there's a haunted house. And you will summon a haunted house. But nothing's in there. So that's all. Bye.